I know we're moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time. Sun is skin.
Good morning, actually it's afternoon. Good afternoon, welcome to the vlog. It's 12:41 right now. I edited and saved some vlogs this morning. I actually edited one. Now it is time to get to work. I have Zumba, back to Zumba at 6. So I am going to make lasagna for Papa and Uncle Brian, but because I gotta go to Zumba, I am going to probably start it about 5:30, and then stick it in the oven at 6 o'clock, and then my husband will get home at 7 and he will pull it out of the oven. I'm kind of debating though if I wanted to, I don't know. I think Evan might be home too, so we'll be alright. And then he's gonna make the bread. So then when I get home from Zumba, dinner will be ready, and then, you know, we'll all eat. I also want to kind of straighten up upstairs, because since we got home from vacation, we just kind of like unloaded. And so I've been slowly kind of like putting things back where they go. For the most part, we are fully, you know, unpacked. But like all the flowers still on the table that my mom gave me. I have to find a place for it. I'm thinking I can put it in the closet. Actually, we got the shelf, like our cabinets and our shelves that are up here. I may be able to store some up there. If not, I'll put it in the closet upstairs, because there's like 8 bags, I think. 8 or 9, I don't remember. And yeah, that means I have to do a lot of baking in the next year. But I think with, you know, in the summer we like to make a lot of peach cobblers, so in fact I'm gonna make one of those probably today. They're really easy. I should actually probably make that around 4, so that way it'll be done and out of the oven, and then the lasagna can go in. You guys, it's been busy, which I'm so thankful for. Like before I left, it was not busy, and so I've got all of these orders. I don't remember how many there is. Let me look real quick. Hold on, you guys. Also, I want to thank y'all for your comments on my vlogs, because I love to read your guys' comments, and some of them are just so sweet. So I've got one from Kelly, and she said, "Hi Pam, vlog whatever brings you the most joys, and that you enjoy sharing with us. Don't feel like you need to target any particular topic, as I'm sure I am not the only one here who is grateful to you for inviting us to be part of your world. No matter what you do, we appreciate you for being a real person with a real life that we can relate to. Love seeing your family, your cooking, embroidery, ribbon trims, feeding the animals, seeing your lovely farm, the sunsets, the road trips, the fabric stores, the dinner at restaurants, concerts. We love all that you do. We want you to have fun and enjoy making these vlogs too. The negative people can unsubscribe, nick off, and take their negative energy with them. It leaves us happy people here, where we all can enjoy being part of your loving, supportive YouTube tribe." Isn't that so sweet? I've gotten, you know, other comments. Misha Trisha, she says, "Every time y'all go to Cincinnati, I want to yell, 'Hi Pam and fam.' Even though it's been a minute since you've actually been through. Have a safe trip home." yeah, so anyway, I've received a lot of like nice comments, people commenting on the vlog where Sterling, you know, was getting help, which we are still waiting. So just a quick little update. So we had her appointment on that Friday. I must have hit my knuckle on something. There's like a bruise and a squirrel, like right there. It hurts. Anyway, we had her appointment that Friday, and then we left on Thursday. So at that appointment, they did an assessment on her, and they're like, okay, we are going to make a game plan. So she will receive counseling. They are going to go like try different meds with her to see what works. In the meantime, I'm hoping that we will be getting her DNA results back. So if you don't know, I mentioned it way back when, that they were going to do a DNA test on her where you basically swab and then they see what medicines work well with her, because your body, your DNA, everybody's DNA processes medicine differently. So you either have like a slow processing, like a medium processing, and then a fast processing. So your body processes the medication that you receive either slow, you know. I'm sure that there's probably, you know, it's probably some sort of scale, I don't know. But they can also see what medicines work with what DNA type. So right now she is on a certain medicine, and they can say, yes, this works with her DNA type, or no, this medicine does not. And this test will follow her for the rest of her life, because, you know, her DNA is her DNA. So that comes with any kind of medication whatsoever. That they can say, okay, does this medicine work with this DNA type? Which, you know, I think I want to get that done too, because that would be really, you know, you wouldn't have to try a bunch of different medicines to see whether or not they work with you, you know. Anyway, so that's that. I was going to check on how many orders. So when I left, I don't remember if I had 3 or 4 open orders. And now I have 44. I have 44 orders, open orders. So I'm going to see what I can get done today. I have some that are need by the 9th, which is this Saturday. And of course, a lot of these orders had just come in, so they didn't give me any like notice, I should say. And my turnaround time was set at 2 weeks. I'm just looking at them. So the one person, I was like, I'll get it done today, it'll ship out on Tuesday, and they said that's fine. And then the other one, see, this one says June 10th. I hope I have, it's a ruffle shirt, I hope I have it and not have to order it. Today is the 5th, so we only got 5 days on that one. I'm gonna go through these orders real quick and see what ones I need to get done first and get those out of the way. I'm hoping to get caught up too, because Danny's coming in like a couple weeks, so I think it's less than a couple weeks. I think it's like 12 days or something. This one, that was the one I was going to finish before I left. These ones are the same ones. I like to separate too, so that way, like, if I have some of the same designs, I can just kind of like do them. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work, and ooh, some of these need ruffle shirts. I also need to do an inventory. I know what to make. That's one of those. Oh, they need an adult shirt. I don't think I have one of those. Let's get to work. I'm in a predicament. So one of the shirts is not supposed to ship until I think Friday. But they had messaged me while I was away. And they're like, I know the ship date is this, but can I get it by the 9th? And so I was like, okay, I'll put you on the list for when I get back. One of the first ones I do, you know, they ordered a 12-month. And I do not have a 12-month. I have an 18-month shirt or have a 12 to 18-month onesie. So, I just messaged them. I did place an order for AJ Blanks on Thursday. So it came in Saturday. That way I'd have some shirts to, you know, start getting some of these orders out. I just went through and kind of guesstimated, you know, for my orders. Like there's some I knew that I would need, like the ruffle shirts. So then I just kind of guesstimated on the others, but I didn't order any 12 months. So I messaged them. Hopefully they will message me back soon, because I was going to start with that one, and I have a couple other orders for that shirt, that design. So I was going to, you know, just continue on. So I guess now I'm like, do I not? Just change my thread out for it. I guess what I'll do is just go to the next one on the list that is like that, and maybe they'll message me back in the meantime. I mean, there's nothing I can do. And, you know, I technically am being nice by shipping it out ahead of hand, so. So really they can't get mad at me, because technically I would, you know, shirts I order today will come in on Wednesday, and then their ship date is Thursday, so, or Friday. I think it's tonight. Anyway.
Pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like
made lasagna, and a peach cobbler. And right now I'm headed to Zumba. He'll have to make the garlic bread, and I mopped and swept and vacuumed because even though we weren't here, cats do, you know, loose fur and such. So we had a lot of hair, cat hair. Sorry, looking at my double chin. But yeah, lasagna. I mean, I had it in there for 45 minutes. Usually I cook it for an hour, but it is resting on the stove with the tinfoil on. So when I get back, because he is making the garlic toast, I'm just gonna stick it in the oven with the tinfoil. Oh, you can't see me with the tinfoil off. So, here we go. How was your first peach cobbler of the year?
It was good. It was very good. Who made it?
Bell latte, or whatever. No, there's one right across the Outback off Reeville Road.
Look at me, Jared.
And there's one
You're so cute.
over there in Dunson. I never tried it, so I go over there, and it's like.
Hey guys, I finished 8 orders. It is 11, a little bit after 11. I'm gonna head to bed. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.